Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my project mini build. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today's episode I will be finishing off hopefully all the insides of a lot of the welds that I've done, ready for the seam sealer. So as I said in the last video, I want to do the rest of the seam sealer all in one go. So just going to be cleaning up all the insides of the welds, just grinding the back. They don't have to look pretty, they're all going to be covered in seam sealer. I just want to make sure there's no loose slag or bits of welding wire in there. So yeah, so I'll just quickly show you what we're working with at the moment. So we've got the inner front floor, so all these bits here, I'm just going to get rid of all these and just quickly clean up all around here, get rid of all the dust, get that ready for pick off some of this, get off as much of this as I can in this area, just I'm not putting seam sealer on top of seam sealer. And then there's some torch gone down in the wheel wells, so I'm going to clean those welds up both in here and in the back. Going to put a bit of, even though I didn't do that welding down there, that was done previously, going to give that a bit of a clean up. Put some seam sealer down there. Basically just anywhere else where I think water might be an issue, or welds are broken through to the outside, just to give it double protection. In theory you shouldn't need any on the inside, but as we all know, minis leak and they go rusty as soon as any of the welds get wet. So yeah, that's my plan for tonight. I'm not going to be out here for too long, so I'll just see how far I get. So here we go. Well, that's it for another episode. Not quite got as far as I wanted, but a little bit of hand sanding tomorrow, and then the seam sealer can go on. So that's an exciting time. Then I think probably the rest of the week I'm going to just continue on with the engine and maybe try and make a start on the front subframe. Towards the end of the week I might start masking the car up, ready for undercoat or stone chip at the weekend. I think trying to do stone chip in an evening is probably a bit on the optimistic side, because I've got to get the compressor set up and everything, and then I've got to clean the gun afterwards and all that. So I think it's probably best left to a time when I've got a good few hours to crack on with it. So that's my plan for the weekend. Then that can be drying all weekend, and I can be cracking on with some other stuff. But yeah, good progress. My painted radiator cowl is here, so I can get on with fitting the rad, and then get all the hoses on, get it watertight. Again, I might be able to run it one evening, depends on how it all goes, but I will do my best. So yeah, that's it for today. See you on the next one.